The world of wine is changing. Gone are the days when buying wine meant stuffy shops and confusing labels. Today the internet has uncorked a new era for wine lovers and entrepreneurs alike. Online wine businesses are booming, offering convenience, variety, and a more personal touch. This shift towards online wine buying is driven by several factors. Consumers are busier than ever and crave convenience. They want to explore a diverse selection of wines from the comfort of their homes. And they're looking for guidance and information to navigate the world of wine. This is where your online wine business comes in. But how do you tap into this growing market and build a successful online wine empire? It all starts with a solid foundation. You need to find your niche, understand your target audience, and craft a comprehensive business plan. In the following sections, we'll delve into each of these crucial steps. Get ready to pour your passion into building a thriving online wine business. First things first, find your lane. What kind of wine will be your specialty? Organic wines, natural wines, wines from a specific region? Choosing a niche helps you stand out in a crowded market. It allows you to focus your efforts and become an expert in your chosen area. Once you've defined your niche, it's time to understand your audience. Who are you selling to? What are their demographics, interests, and pain points? Create buyer personas to represent your ideal customers. This will guide your marketing efforts and help you tailor your message to resonate with your target market. Now let's talk business. A well-structured business plan is your roadmap to success. It outlines your business goals, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and more. A solid business plan keeps you on track, attracts investors, and demonstrates the viability of your online wine venture. Here's the legal part. Selling wine online requires specific licenses and permits. These vary depending on your location and the states you'll be shipping to. Don't skimp on this step. Ensure you're compliant with all regulations to avoid legal headaches down the road. With your legal ducks in a row, it's time to build your online store. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to create a user-friendly website, showcase your wines with high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and customer reviews. Offer secure payment options and integrate shipping solutions for a seamless customer experience. Fulfillment is another crucial aspect. How will you store, package, and ship your wines? Consider partnering with a third-party logistics provider specializing in wine. They can handle the storage, packaging, and temperature-controlled shipping, ensuring your wines reach customers in pristine condition. Congratulations! Your online wine business is up and running. Now it's time to spread the word and attract customers. Content marketing is your best friend. Educate your audience about different wines, tasting notes, food pairings, and the stories behind the bottles. Build a strong brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Use social media to engage with wine lovers, share your story, and run targeted advertising campaigns. Collaborate with influencers and wine bloggers to reach a wider audience. As your business grows, consider scaling your operations. Explore funding options like crowdfunding or venture capital to fuel your expansion. Partner with complementary businesses in the food and beverage industry to offer bundled products or cross-promotional opportunities. Remember, building a successful online wine business takes hard work, passion, and a deep understanding of your market. Focus on delivering exceptional customer experiences. Be authentic, transparent, and always strive to over-deliver. Cheers to your success. If you find this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to Hustle Mind, and I'll see you in the next video.